here I is. I'm about to head to my storage real quick. Go put my battery charge on, and then go ahead and take care of the rest of what I got to do today. It's a wonderful day in the world. It's kind of cold, man. It was just sunny for a couple hours yesterday, and now no sun all day, kind of rainy. Everything's set. So right now I gotta kind of stay close to headquarters type of situation. But soon I'll be out and about. We got a lot of things coming up. Like I said to myself, when is the best time for me to start sharing with people? Show them how easy it is for me. I started to realize how easy it is for me. So this GoPro is right beside my head, so you're seeing exactly what I see. Something wrong with this damn van. I gotta get some maintenance done on and all that. Get all the way slow. The truck almost didn't want to start. I was about to be shit out of luck. And I need to go get some propane, so I gotta balance out all my needs. Luckily they got propane everywhere. So last couple days I've been just planning, eating good, sitting around being kind of lazy. I needed to take a couple days off before I go ahead and switch up. I put in a 2-month notice and went ahead and stopped working where I was working. And I don't plan to get another hourly job. I plan to use my skills and my understanding to share what I know. I guess I could have did that the whole time. But yeah, I'm gonna just share what I know, and hopefully it might help somebody, So that's all that is. For the last couple years, I've been listening to books while I've been working. And to have this last year that I've been working and doing the same process, and now see what it has developed and yielded, it makes me very comfortable that I can be able to share with this, point of view. So I can, and this is not necessarily for you or you or you, this is for you. And I can show you exactly what I did. And, everything that I did, I kind of learned from somebody else. And I was able to kind of extrapolate, in a sense, exactly what they did. Or what they could have done, or just whatever. Just absorb the story, try to absorb the lesson. Just either way, rather than absorb it and try to make something out of it, just input it and then see what happens over time. So the development that happened after I started to input all these ideas and stories and books and moves and actions, it was mainly the actions. After I started to see what my actions started to yield, it got comfortable to be. And this is what you see. This is what I am. This is what I developed into. An understood mind. So I'll holler at y'all later. And take it easy, man. Just continue to develop and continue to grow. So I done made it to my storage. I'm gonna end up, I done started the whole process now. I done started the whole process now. I definitely gotta insulate these doors, because every day after day after day, it's cold as hell. And then I finally remembered that these doors ain't insulated. So I got 2 more pieces that I'm gonna put here and put some on the other door, and then go ahead and duct tape the plastic back down. So I'm just push it, try to get it where I can. It ain't gotta be perfect, because you know, you always remember the times when you had nothing. But the baseline of my van is about 15 degrees warmer than being outside. So this should help, of course. Let's see. A lot of people ask me why it's taking so long for me to do my van life channel. Shit. I'm a secretive guy. I like things to look and feel a certain way. And I've kind of been lucky enough not to be able to, you know, stick my foot in my mouth too much. Oh shit, what the fuck am I doing? Gotta make it back home. You can get a pull of weed, you like a bitty. Go and sex her. You can leave the money drive, you shit. So somehow, I completely forgot to finish the van build. Insulating these doors, to me, is definitely like a baseline of things that's supposed to be done. You know, I definitely overlooked it. We'll have to go get some more insulation. Right now, I'm full-time living in my van, but the difference is right now, I got full-time accessories. You know, I planned for this. This, what I'm doing, is a part of my business. And, you know, you'll be able to see as I develop and use my space uniquely. You know, what it do, what I'm able to do. Why I thought it would be a good idea to live in a van and make it happen. 'Cause I got everything. Most people, you know, they was like, oh, you ain't got no space. Most people, all they really have is a space to fail. Because month after month, they don't get it right. Month after month, they're still all in a fucked up predicament. So right now, I finally, to the point where this year I was able to spend more money on myself than I've ever have in the past. I'm able to project the future and plan for a future that I can see within my means. Then on the other side, it's just a time and a place aspect of it. It's continuously. As soon as one outlook left me, another outlook came to me. So I definitely build pride from that. Probably get ready to paint these panels. Probably paint it red. We do these wood pieces on here. Get some speakers and everything else. I'll tape it up later. I got a few places I gotta go, you know. Alright, so this is what my side look like, you know. It's magnificent enough. Always have these little moisture absorption. It helps just a little bit. Make you feel a little bit more comfortable about the situation. But I'm gonna go ahead and get me a dehumidifier. I might go buy that today, and then that'll help with all the moisture and the vapors and shit. We got 4 hours left for this to charge, and the input is 102. You see, I'm at 29% right now. It goes probably every 30 seconds to a minute. You know, another increase in battery. Probably in 2 minutes or whatever. But yeah, it goes pretty fast. I can get about half. I'm back with my dinner finally concluded. I got some sauteed with chicken sausage. And then I'll put in a can of soup. After that, let that reduce down. I'll put some spicy queso tortillas, and threw some cheese on there. I'm gonna have the honey wheat Reese crackers, and you know, I already know I'm gonna eat and be happy and watch this little show. So there you go, something simple. I'll put my Something like my first meal, first bite on camera. Mm. 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 Going the extra step and sauteing some type of, add-ons or whatever. That do real good for the flavor of just a regular can of soup. So right now, you can definitely say I'm satisfied. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my dinner and keep it pushing. Damn. Y'all take care of yourselves, man. Remember, thrive. Don't just survive. In this crazy world we live in, so many opportunities.